How to pay with Paysafecard on Brawl Stars in iOS. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to pay using the Paysafecard option in Brawl Stars in your iOS device. So without further ado, let us begin. So what you want to do is to just open up Brawl Stars, and then let's say we want to buy like gems. So I'll just click on the shop right here, and then from here I'll just go to resources, and then from here I'll be having the option in which I can buy gem packs. So just to let you guys know that the Paysafecard option is really not yet available to all devices or to all countries. So what you can just do now is to check if you have that option. So for example, I'll just buy like this one right here, the 30 gem pack, and then a payment option will pop up. So from there you will have options in which how you will pay your gems. So if you have the pay safe option, that means that you're eligible, or your country is eligible to use the pay safe option card. But if you don't, that means that it is not available in your country, or you are not eligible on using it yet. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to pay with the Paysafecard on Brawl Stars in iOS.